and welcome to GHRC News Desk 18th July 2021. This is Manish Nair reading out few headlines for the day. Expert talk by Padmshri Honorable Professor Deepak Pathak, Professor Emeritus IIT Bombay. Workshop on IoT applications using embedded system IEEE 2021 Region 10. Capacity building workshop under educational activity and COE IoT. MOU signed between COE Embedded IoT and 3 Knot Robotics Private Limited, Nagpur. 7th International Day of Yoga celebrated at Ghrce College of Engineering on 21st June 2021. Now the news in detail. Expert talk by Padmshri Honorable Professor Deepak Pathak, Professor Emeritus IIT Bombay. Padmshri Honorable Professor Deepak Pathak, Professor Emeritus IIT Bombay and AICTE Distinguished Chair Professor, Ghrce College of Engineering, Nagpur, delivered online expert talk on Beyond MOOCs and Online Back to Basics on 8th July 2021. Welcome address was given by Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director, Ghrce College of Engineering, Nagpur. In the online interaction, Sir has enlightened the importance of MOOCs, other online platform, and how to make teaching learning process more effective. Sir also explained about how to enhance the quality time spent by the students and faculty. More than 120 faculties attended the session and interacted with the expert. After the talk, questions were taken in which faculty of the institute took guidance from the expert for the various topics like consultancy, how to increase the student strength, blended learning, project-based learning and placements. The session followed by a vote of thanks in the end, which was delivered by Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dean R&D, Ghrce College of Engineering, Nagpur. Institute take this opportunity to thank AICTE for nominating Padmshri Honorable Professor Deepak Pathak, Professor Emeritus IIT Bombay under AICTE Distinguished Chair Professor Scheme for Ghrce College of Engineering, Nagpur. Distinguished Chair Professor Scheme of AICTE intends to utilize the expertise of highly qualified and experienced superannuated professionals who have made exceptional contribution to the society in their respective fields, are associated with the institutions for the benefit of faculty members and students. The second news for the day is workshop on IoT applications using embedded systems IEEE 2021 Region 10 capacity building workshop under educational activity and COE IoT. This was dated 9th July 2021 and the event details are: preamble was brought, a 2-day workshop was conducted in IoT applications using embedded system IEEE 2021 Region 10 capacity building workshop under educational activity and COE IoT on dated 9th July to 10th July 2021 at Ghrce College of Engineering, Nagpur, in collaboration with IEEE Bombay section, IEEE Nagpur subsection, IEEE Region 10. A total of 232 participants from different institutes of India like Government College of Engineering, Jalgaon, GRT Institute of Engineering and Technology, TN, YCCE Nagpur, Government Polytechnic Ahmedabad, Well-Tech High Tech, Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Shakuntala Engineering College, TN, Saraswati Vidyalaya Nagpur, Shivaji Rao S. Gondle College of Engineering and Technology, Asangaon, Thane, Bhadravati, Bhandara, etc. have participated. On the inaugural function, Dr. B. Satyanarayana, Chair IEEE Bombay section, participated as chief guest. In his chief guest address, he emphasized the role of IEEE. Nagpur subsection presided over the function. Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director, addresses to participants. In his speech, emphasized on the use of modern technology using IoT and embedded systems. A session were held on IoT fundamentals and implementations by Dr. Vimal Bhatia, IIT Indore. IoT applications and big data technologies by Dr. Purna Shankar, Professor, Institute of Industrial and Computer Management and Research, Pune. IoT and Industry 4.0 by Dr. Ajay Deshmukh, Director, Center for Industrial Mathematics, Bhaskaracharya Prastham, Pune. STEM, Secure Transmission of Encrypted Message in IoT by Dr. Rahul Johri, GGSIP University, Dwarka, Delhi. IoT in Medical Applications by Dr. Ramji Kalidas, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. The entire sessions were an interactive sessions and the speakers answered many queries raised by the participants. The entire program was coordinated by Dr. Lakshman Thakre, Team IEEE GHRC Nagpur and COE IOT. Dr. N. Vevhare proposed vote of thanks. MOU signed between COE Embedded IoT and 3Not Robotics Private Limited, Nagpur. Signing of MOU in between COE Embedded IoT and 3Not Robotics Private Limited, Nagpur from the Center of Excellence in Embedded Internet of Things on the cause of IoT projects and senior design. MOU has been signed in between COE Embedded and 3Not Robotics Private Limited, Nagpur. Currently, both COE and company is working on one live project for sensor making in biomedical application. For MOU signing, Dr. P. Walke, Deputy Director, and Dr. M. Khanapurkar, Deputy Director, Dr. S. Jaju, Dean R&D, Dr. N. P. Vevhare, COE in charge, Professor S. Dudhe, COE in charge, and Mr. Kuldeep Vadaskar, Director, 3Not Robotics Private Limited, Nagpur, were present. Coming to the last news, 7th International Day of Yoga celebrated at Ghrce College of Engineering on 21st June, the World Yoga Day. Yoga brings calmness, fitness, and give stress-free life. Yoga is necessary in day-to-day life and everyone has to perform it. Every year, International Day of Yoga celebrates on 21st June at Ghrce College of Engineering, Nagpur. This year too, National Service Scheme, NSS, and Sports Department celebrated International Day of Yoga on 21st June, Monday, by performing yoga through online mode of WebEx at GHRC in Nagpur. The yoga performed by faculties, supporting staff, and students of GHRC at their home through online mode because of pandemic condition of Corona. In this program, total 32 participants had participated. This year, NSS and Sports Department has kept the classes of yoga for students and staff through online mode to teach the yoga for a healthy life and to promote the yoga across all. Yoga classes were conducted by Yoga Guru Mrs. Urmilatai Joarkar, Jilha Prabhari, Patanjali Mahila Yog Samiti, Nagpur district. Students of various branches were more enthusiastic to join the yoga classes and perform all the asanas during the classes. Initially, warm-up sessions were conducted and then actual yoga sessions were demonstrated in front of the participants. The staff and the students performed Tadasan, Sarpasan, Mendukasan, Vrukshasana, Padmshri, etc. along with neck and backbone exercises. To increase the enthusiasm from yoga, an online yoga competition was held by NSS and Sports Department of GHRCE. In this competition, Mr. Abhijit Kirwal, a student of Civil Department, was winner and Mrs. Vaishnavi Kole, student of ETC Department, was a runner-up. Both winners were awarded with prizes and participants were awarded with certificates. The activity was well coordinated and conducted by Professor Mangesh Bhorkar, NSS Program Officer, and Dr. Dheeraj Bhoskar, Sports in charge, under the able guidance of Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director, GHRCE. Well, we have come to the end of NewsDesk today, but leaving with a very strong message to all of you that yoga and meditation would certainly bring your inner strength out. Keep the faith.